A heads-up display keeps your eyes on the road while showing your speed, navigation, and real-time data right in your line of sight. In 2025, the best models deliver crystal-clear visibility, turn-by-turn guidance, and smart alerts, with no wires, no complicated installs, and zero distractions. Once you experience that data hovering seamlessly in front of you, it feels like your car just leveled up. Whether you're commuting every day or cruising long highway miles, these are the top-rated heads-up displays you can actually trust to boost safety, awareness, and convenience. Let's start with the ACECAR G18. The ACECAR G18 GPS speedometer is a smart plug-and-play head-up display built for drivers who want real-time driving data without the hassle of vehicle integration. Featuring a 3.5-inch LED screen and dual GPS plus Beidou satellite tracking, it delivers accurate speed in both miles per hour and kilometers per hour, no matter what you drive, whether it's a car, truck, or motorcycle. Key features include overspeed alerts and fatigue warnings to help keep you safe during long drives, along with a built-in compass and altitude readout for added navigation awareness. The display is crisp and easy to read, with adjustable brightness for both daytime and nighttime use, and it can be projected directly onto your windshield using the included reflective film. It also tracks your clock, trip time, distance, satellite count, and more, all accessible with simple toggle controls. Setup takes seconds. Just plug it into any 5-volt USB or cigarette lighter port, and it powers on automatically with your ignition. Priced around $36, the ACECAR G18 is one of the most affordable ways to gain better situational awareness and real-time driving insight without modifying your vehicle. Next up is the HotSunTesTec heads-up display. If you're driving a Tesla Model Y or Model 3 and looking for a smarter, more seamless way to integrate CarPlay or Android Auto, the HotSunTesTec HUD is built exactly for you. Designed to fit perfectly into Model Y models from 2020 to 2024 and Model 3 models from 2016 to 2023, this 9.6-inch display adds high-performance functionality to Tesla's minimal interior without blocking air vents or requiring any permanent modifications. The HD screen pushes a 1920 by 480 resolution with an ultra-thin bezel and a smooth 60 frames per second refresh rate. That means every animation, map, and alert feels snappy and sharp. It supports full wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, lets you split the screen or go full width, and responds instantly to Siri or Google Assistant commands. Under the hood, you get a high-efficiency, vehicle-grade Linux system with a fast processor that runs cool, consumes very little power, and stays stable even during extended drives. Real-time vehicle data like speed, turn signals, brake status, and even autopilot alerts sync directly to the screen. It also supports steering wheel controls, day and night modes, and over-the-air software updates for long-term usability. At around $300, this upgrade brings advanced connectivity, safer driving info, and a cleaner interface without changing your Tesla's core experience. Next up is the Hyundai Mobis Full-Windshield Holographic HUD. Imagine driving with no dashboard, no bulky screens, just a crystal-clear windshield that shows everything you need right where you need it. That's exactly what Hyundai's new holographic windshield display delivers. Co-developed with Zeiss, this futuristic tech turns the entire windshield into an ultra-thin display using a holographic optical film embedded directly in the glass, just 0.1 millimeters thick. It divides the screen into zones: speed and navigation for the driver, entertainment for the passenger, without distracting either side. Bright 3D maps follow your movements in real time, and passengers can stream videos or play games without interfering with your view. It's over twice as bright as conventional heads-up displays and looks completely transparent when off. No black film, no clutter. Everything runs through a quiet, compact projector hidden under the dash and syncs with the car's infotainment system or your phone. Compared to BMW's panoramic screen setup, Hyundai's HWD covers more of the windshield, stays invisible when not in use, and delivers sharper contrast in any lighting. Next up is the ACECAR P25. ACECAR P25 is a smart digital head-up display built for real-time driving data using your vehicle's OBD2 system. Designed for cars made after 1996 with OBD2 or EU OBD protocols, it delivers accurate speed, engine RPM, coolant temperature, voltage, and mileage, far more precise than satellite-only models. Just plug it into the OBD2 port and you're ready to go. The 3.5-inch LCD screen offers a clear, mirrored display with 12 customizable interfaces, adjustable brightness for day or night, and a crisp analog-style tachometer and digital speed readout that keeps your eyes on the road. A reflective film allows you to project data directly onto your windshield if desired. What sets the P25 apart is its safety features. It includes 6 key fault alarms, including low voltage, high engine temperature, overspeed, engine warning codes, and even real-time tilt monitoring, perfect for off-roaders or steep terrain. Installation is plug-and-play with a 360-degree rotatable bracket for perfect positioning on your dash or windshield. With an average price of around $45.99, the ACECAR P25 offers pro-level functionality for drivers who want deeper insight into their vehicle without breaking the bank. Next up is the AZIJYV P21. It is a smart, dual-system head-up display designed to boost driving safety by keeping your eyes on the road, not the dashboard. It combines both OBD2 and GPS modes, projecting real-time data onto a 3.5-inch color LCD screen or even onto your windshield. In OBD2 mode, it pulls live engine metrics like RPM, coolant temperature, voltage, throttle position, fuel consumption, and more directly from your vehicle's onboard diagnostics. In GPS mode, which works universally on any car, truck, or motorcycle, it tracks speed, altitude, driving direction, and satellite signal data with solid accuracy. It even offers slope and tilt angle tracking, making it perfect for off-roaders or drivers navigating hilly terrain. You can switch between 12 display languages and customize ambient lighting in blue, red, or purple. Built-in alerts notify you of issues like high engine temperature, low voltage, overspeed, or unsafe tilt angles, helping prevent accidents before they happen. It also reads and clears engine fault codes without a trip to the mechanic. Just keep in mind it does not support diesel, hybrid, or certain European vehicles, so check before buying if you plan to use OBD2 mode. Next up is the SinoTrack ST-HUD-G3. At just $30, it is a universal GPS-based head-up display designed to keep your driving information front and center, without the need for OBD2 integration. It projects real-time speed, compass direction, altitude, and satellite count onto a crisp 5.5-inch LCD screen, giving you all the key data you need while keeping your focus on the road. Powered by dual-mode GPS plus Beidou tracking, it delivers reliable, low-latency speed readings in both miles per hour and kilometers per hour. The screen auto-adjusts brightness through a built-in light sensor, making it clearly visible in both daylight and nighttime conditions. And with 8 display modes, you can toggle between speed, trip time, distance, and more to suit your driving needs. For safety, it includes a fatigue reminder that activates after 4 hours of continuous driving and a customizable overspeed alert that warns you when you cross a set threshold. A dual-core processor keeps data refresh rates fast and responsive. It works universally with any car, truck, or motorcycle and installs in seconds with no tools required. Next up is the VJOYCAR G20. It is a compact and universal GPS speedometer designed to give you real-time speed data right on your dash. No OBD2 port required. Whether you drive a car, truck, motorcycle, or ATV, it works out of the box using GPS and Beidou satellite tracking to deliver accurate readings in either miles per hour or kilometers per hour, refreshing every second with zero lag or stutter. Its 3.5-inch LED screen is easy to read even under direct sunlight, thanks to large, high-contrast fonts and a built-in glare hood. You also get critical safety features like a customizable overspeed alarm and a fatigue alert that activates after 4 hours of continuous driving. Installation is plug and play, just connect it to your USB or 12-volt cigarette lighter, mount it with the included bracket, and you're ready to go. Built from lightweight ABS plastic, it is small enough to fit almost anywhere and tough enough to handle everyday use. Pricing starts around $19, making the VJOYCAR G20 one of the most affordable, user-friendly GPS HUDs available for drivers who want better awareness without complex setup. If one of these displays caught your eye, tell us which one feels like the right fit for your ride. Hit that like button if this video helped you make a choice, and do not forget to subscribe for more hands-on reviews crafted to help you drive better. Thanks for watching. Keep your eyes up, stay sharp, and enjoy the road like never before.